This morning we had a panel session called Back to the Future. And why was it called Back to the Future? I interviewed Dr. Pantian Zuzendam. She is from the Port of Hamburg, for Hamburg Port Authority, and she's the one who started the Smart Ports concept 10 years ago in Hamburg, launching 20 Smart Ports project. And what we did this morning through the panel session was to try to analyze how these 10 years have been, how these 10 years have changed the world of ports, digitization, sustainability, and how we could have done things differently, maybe to be more efficient, to be more effective. And also we wanted to look into the future for the next 10 years, trying to analyze which new technologies maybe are not so present, maybe yes at the Smart City Expo World Congress, but not in ports, and which technologies, new technologies, we should be embracing within the next 10 years. So it was a session about going to the past, going to the future, and trying to analyze all that process with the Port of Hamburg, because the Port of Barcelona, the Port of Hamburg, we both belong to the Chain Port Alliance, together with other ports, where we exchange best practices. We also have working groups and projects together. So this is also another way to imagine how the port of the future should be.
Quite few of those. I think that, definitely energy transition is a huge challenge right now, and the role of ports into really greening, if you like, or decarbonizing both the infrastructure and the transport, not only shipping, but beyond that, trucking and everything, it's most important. And we've heard some very good examples from Gothenburg, from Barcelona, on what they do, some great work of WPCAP, the World Ports Climate Action Program, in cooperation with IPH towards that direction. I love the reflections over the green corridors as well, and the challenges and opportunities associated with them. Very interesting concept, a lot of work to put it in place and to ensure that we do it in a consistent and a successful way as well. And I think at the end, we've learned that a smart port is a green port, is an energy efficiency and decarbonized port, a port with a great vision to decarbonize in a very near future and driving that change.
Yes, so our innovation initiative already hosts 70 startups that just finished POC in our field. We have an accelerator that we work with 500 startups global. They are one of the biggest accelerators around the world. And actually what we do, we have a one-stop shop for a startup. Why that? Because we are a sandbox for the startups. Then we are clients, we're going to buy the product. And then we are investor as well, because we are just established a CVC, company venture capital, which means that actually we are invest in the startups. Then we take the startups and help them to find another customers around the world and another investor around the world that want to invest in the Israeli market. So actually we just give all the package to Israeli startup to collaborate with us.